Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Springfield, New Jersey, just completing a corner shower here, consisting of 3/8 inch regular clear tempered glass with our clear shield coating on it. What makes this one unique is the shower head is pointing right at where the door location is. So this is technically a big no-no when it comes to shower layouts. So I would have preferred to have put the door on this wall here, but it just so happened to be that the interior wall and the clients were concerned with their kids, coming into the shower with the door open, yada yada. So we went ahead and put the door onto this wall here. But with that said, we also had to add a dam underneath the door as a preventative measure, since the shower head and the hands-free will constantly be pointing at the door. We put this down as a diverter because the sweep by itself, while it would take away the bulk of the water, it will have a really hard time taking direct water pressure. So we added the bottom threshold down here just as a preventative measure again. And we have a finished product that looks like this with a bottom down. All right, and on this particular shower, we use polished chrome hardware, as you see. And the height is approximately 82 inches tall. All right, and if you guys like this bathroom, take a quick look over at our friends, the Powder Room guys. These guys are super professional, super technologically advanced. They know how to book things. They know how to keep their word, and the quality of their work, as you can see from the background, is impeccable. All right, so make sure look for them for any bathroom renovations. So if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.
Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a bear spider will crawl on your face.